eMarth Scientific Microscope is an ideal educational gift for students. We have 6 rotating colorful filters, easy to focus, such as yellow, purple, green, gray, red, blue. It's made of stain-resistant enamel finish and full solid metal frame construction, coming with 25 pieces specimen slides, such as leaf specimen. According to these specimen slides, kids can easy to find out what they look like, and 27 pieces blank slide can be added whatever they want to observe, and 3 high magnification objectives, including 40 times, 100 times, 400 times, here with magnification of pollen and honeybee.